I still remember like in 2016 when I had got multiple admits, and I knew it's always the course that you keep in mind as your deciding factor. So if you are interested in ECE, you apply to universities accordingly. If you were interested in computer science, or if you're interested in something like cyber security, find the best top 10 colleges for that particular program and see how your profile matches with that. First is, of course, the course you want to pursue. You need to have that on top of your list. University ranking, in some or the other way, it does matter in the long term. The other factor I considered was the I-20 amount, comparing the two universities. The location, whether you want to stay closer to the East Coast or whether you want to stay closer to California and the Silicon Valley. Coursework. So I would come to coursework and the kind of courses that were offered and sought after at UMD. And the one important factor of choosing University of Maryland was the flexibility in choosing courses. So you could take courses from other departments. You had a lot of flexibility. Like, you didn't have to stick to a track. I would say in 2016 when I came, the job search with seniors was not so great. But my batchmates, like right now, I know I graduated last year and everyone has got a full-time job. So I would say those were the factors I kept in mind to come to the decision that I want to go to the University of Maryland.
Sooner or later, everyone does get a full-time job, and you just need to keep applying. You need to keep pulling your strings if you have any contacts, and you need to apply to the right kind of roles that is suitable to your profile. You cannot have, as I mentioned, relevant experience counts. Only experience in the past will not have much of an impact if it is not relevant to your role. And any other advice that I would like to give is, like, it's going to be a roller coaster ride of 2 years that you're going to enroll for a master's program, whether it's University of Maryland or any other school that you choose to go to. And I would say just be open, just be fearless, and just take on any challenge that the grad school life throws at you, like on your face, and just go with the flow and keep working, keep applying. And I wish you all the best for your admits and also ahead for your master's program.